So my name's Nick Sammut from Rushmoor Painting and Decorating. I'm a painter and decorator based in Surrey. Yeah, so I use the DB650 virtually every day, from like manual prep to machine prep to spraying, all of those sort of tasks, it's always on there. It's one of those items that I couldn't be without now, having used it for a couple of years, putting it to practice almost every day on the job, whether that's sanding, spraying, just generally making a mess on the job. Once you see how much dust it pulls in, or airborne particles it pulls in, and those filters are caked in dust, you can't not have it in your system. It's one of those things I like to have to give customers a sense of comfort in their home, knowing that I'm doing everything I can possible to reduce the mess and the dust I make in their house. Because decorating is quite a messy job, and it's one of those jobs that can be quite messy unknowingly, because dust creeps in everywhere, and before you know it, it's settled in multiple different rooms. So having something like the DB650 just there, just purring away in the background whilst you're working is, yeah, it's a great bit of kit, and I wouldn't be without it.